guys, welcome back to another video. Now today I'm going to be showing you a couple of DIYs. First I'm going to be showing you how to regain access to your car if your battery ever goes flat and your remote doesn't work, your mechanical key doesn't work, but you also don't want to break a window in order to get access into the car. Now it's a pretty simple DIY, shouldn't take much, maybe just a jack and a jack stand for safety. I'm also going to be showing you how to remove the bad activated solenoids if you own a 2.8 liter engine like I do. I'm also going to be giving you guys an update on my ownership of the car and the challenges that I've been facing and the issues that I currently have on the car. So let's get into it. First thing you want to do is jack the car up. You don't have to remove the wheel. I did it just to get a bit more space. Yeah, oil leak. Now you want to disconnect your steering rack connection, add your power source, and then from there it's pretty straightforward. You can unlock the car and get access to the cabin. Now we're gonna attempt to remove the damaged actuators, which are these solenoids that sits on the top of the engine where the intake camshafts are located. I don't know why the Germans do this, but here you can see I am trying to utilize all the tools that I could find. Actually, screwdriver came into play. I also used the carpenter chisel right here to try to get the end of the actuators straightened again so that it could slide through the groove on the top of the engine. So it was removing these by any means necessary. So like with everything, you always have that one that is stubborn to get removed. And as you can see, I have this one here, but it was finally time to get it out. There you go. That sucker is out, and all the damaged actuators are now removed. As you can see, all the actuators are now removed, and it's time to get some new ones installed and also reassemble the engine bay. So my airbag light is currently on. That's because of one of my rear seat belts has a short circuit to ground. Also, the oil leak that you guys saw earlier, that's from my steering rack. I'll be getting that looked at the dealership. Also, I need 2 booming rubbers for my suspension in the back. And I think that's just about it for remaining issues. As for the issues that I had before, my engine control module was faulty, and that's what caused the actuators to get bent and damaged, so ever since I got that repaired, the car has been good to me, to be honest. So I'm enjoying it for now, and I'll see what's next. If this video was helpful, guys, do me a favor please and give me a like, and also let me know your thoughts on the video.